Father, on this day of grateful celebration, we gather together with hearts full of gratitude for the little ones who have grown and blossomed, for their laughter, their curiosity, and their wonder. We thank you, Lord, as they enter on a new chapter in their lives, moving out from kindergarten to new adventure. We ask for your guidance and your loving presence. May they continue to learn and explore, discovering the beauty of the world you created. Bless their teachers who have nurtured them with care, and their parents who have supported them with love. May their hearts be filled with hope and excitement as they step into the next phase of their journey. Grant them courage to face challenges, with resilience, kindness to treat others with compassion, and wisdom to make good choices along